There's two L's in the rhyme.
Where's the L? Oh, that is. There's an L.
This is the L.
Oh, that was a J.
Oh, yes.
J.
I forgot.
You forgot.
It was J. H.
H. Another one?
Yeah. It starts with camel, I think. U.
Very good. Another U. Oh, that's upside down. We gotta flip it around. Good job. Excellent work.
Flip it
Yeah.
around.
Where's our other U?
I don't know. I guess there's two L's.
Oh, there's an L. You're right.
L. P.
Very good.
No.
There's the U.
What rhymes with these ones?
V.
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 B.
B.
That B is the one that rhymes with the other B.
They do sound the same.
B. S.
Oh, Z. S is the one with the smooth curves. Let's see if we can find an S in there.
Z.
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 Another Z. Very good. Now it's like the letters are sleeping.
Now P. P.
T. Good.
This P rhymes with the other P.
And what's that?
K.
K. Okay.
Mommy, where's the other K?
By the Q, over by the Z's.
Where's the Z? Where's the Z's, Mommy?
Where's the Z's, baby? Are they at the top? By the Q?
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, there it is. We found it.
R.
R.
Another R.
Yep.
Where's the other R go?
Down at the bottom.
Oh.
It's yellow. There you go.
R.
Mhm.
M.
M.
Q.
That's a Y.
Y.
Oops. There you go. Good job, sweetie. Y. Okay.
There's a hole up there.
There is.
L.
N. N.
It goes.
Z goes Z. N goes N. N. You want that to be an M or a W?
M.
well, I think that's an N. If it's sideways, it looks like a Z, though. Yeah, that looks like a Z with
Another Y and a P.
T. T, Y.
Cameron.
Shall we spell your name?